are back with one more tutorial for hookup song, and I will guide you throughout the video step by step, and I have Arpita with me. As all of you watching, I am also trying this tutorial for the first time. I am ready to try this and I am going to have a lot of fun. Are you guys ready? Without any delay, let's get into it. First steps, let's start from here. Keep your legs apart. And then you need to hold your hands right down and then bend a little. This knee twists side, raising the heel. Then bring it down. Again raise the other side. Bring it down. Turn this side. Yeah. Then same hands. Roll back and roll out. So this is going to be fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's try once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for this leg movement will be added also. So you need to just raise up when your hand goes back. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. So after we finish this, your hand comes this way. The back side hand, not the front one. The back side hand. Turn. Yes. So we are not raising our leg at all. What we did is, we just turned the leg side. That's all. The toes pointing changed. Then immediately we are going to do the same roll this side. 1 and drop. Yeah, that's it. So from here again we'll do the same thing. Turn. Now little change. We need to hit. So hit and repeat again. Back and drop. So from here we are going to add a wave. So 1, 2, 3, pop. And reverse it, bend. So we are going to go slow now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So let's do the whole routine from here. 1, 2, up, down, turn, again, up, down, turn, hit, up and down now, wave and back and wave and bend. After that, we are here, we need to take a small rotation. Straight way. Did you see how I went now? You need to go from the side. Point, drop, side and up. That's it. A small circular position, but you need to face straight. You shouldn't bend this way or bend this way. You need to go straight and up. After this, we go turn, a little slant, wave, wave. Leave your body free so that you can wave. Yeah, we need 2 waves here. Okay, let's try with the circular move and then the wave. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wave, wave. After this, which knee is to the front, that you need to hit, hit, turn. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so let's do with the circular and the wave and the hit. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3 and turn, wave, wave, hit, hit, hit. After this, remember the leg is pointing towards that side. This knee is already down. Just put the knee down. Yes. Stretching the leg out. That's it. And then hand goes out. We did backing already. So when we do this up, this is out. Don't forget that. And then roll, bring the leg also here. Yes. So let's try. Roll out, roll in, roll out, roll in. Isn't it easy? Yeah? Yes. After this, hands compress yourself and take yourself up. Yeah, done. So this leg is front. Let's take it back with a bounce. Now add the hand pushing upward. Whenever the hit comes, push it up. So let's start bouncing back. Leave it free and go back. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, you are already facing towards this side. Hand just becomes this way. Turn. Yes. After this leg comes to front. See my hand, you can see? It's just like we are running, but we are in a pause mode. Yeah. Now bring this leg here. Again back to the position. And hand goes this way. We are going to make a heart here. So you can see I am using my middle finger for the straight line, and then the curve is done with the pointer finger. So just a heart. Yeah. After this, we are going to just turn. Once we are here, now we have to go back. See, you need to bend your knee, touch with your this side hand down. Okay? This is not difficult actually if you practice. This hand and use the back hand to push. Yes. If you don't push with this hand which is down, you will feel heavy because the whole body weight is coming on the hand. So you need to push with the hand so that you will get a back push together. If you try with the body, you will feel heavy and you might fall back. So be careful when you do such movements. If it is difficult, you can just bend back, come up. In case of any pains you have, don't try this. Let's try. Ready? So wave, bend, back. Yes, push, stand up. Yeah. So once we stand back, we are going to try a little bit stiff moves like a robotic movements. So now hand and reach you first. One, keep your hands really stiff. So we are facing this side, then we are facing this side, then we are going this way. Yeah. So let's do again after we get back. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So leg movement goes just a twist, twist, straight. Side, side, front. Yeah. So let's try. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So you need to move your body very sturdy and stiff. Okay. So let's try with the bend back, falling back and again getting up and then the rotating movements. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Back and then front. Yeah. And then 1, 2, 3. Next step is tap, 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 tap. Isn't it easy? Yeah. So hands will add, just cross and out. Cross and out. We are just going to do once up and once down. Let's start with the hand movements now. 1, 2. That's it. Isn't it simple? Yeah. We'll try. Ready? Up and down. That's it. Okay. Let's do with the robotic moves and then this. Ready? So 1, 2, 3. And then up and down. That's it. Yeah, let's go with the next step now. This leg have to slide back and come back. That's all. So take it back and bring it front. That's all. So hand goes, leg goes in, hand comes out. See? 1 and 2. Yeah. So 1 and 2. That's it. Yeah. After this, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how we went? We just reversed it back and we took a control on it. That's all. Once we are here, yeah. So let's try again with the push and bring it back. Ready? So 1, 2, bring it back. Yes. Okay. And be straight on this side and a little curve on your knee from this side.
आँख मेरी 100 सवारी 2 सवारी लड़ जावे ओ जिस देख दिल मेरा पीछे पीछे पड़ जावे
है दिन में ये तेरे घर कहीं और गुजरे ये रातें करना जो तुझी दफा पहली बार कर जावे.
Now which side your knee is pointed, go down with a point. Yeah. If it's a girl, this is fine. If it's a boy, just a move. However it is comfortable to you. So 1 and 2. Did you see how I shifted? It's just this knee was down. I just brought this knee down and this knee up. And hand also I shifted. Now there is a lyric which says the eye contact. So eyes to eyes. Yeah. So only one time. 1, 2. Yeah, 2. Then we stand up straight but we turn this side. Hand goes this way and comes back. But we are going opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Certain steps when we do down, turn, eyes, get up, these kind of steps you need to learn. Don't give up. Try to again and again do it so that you will get it. Because this is not such a big thing that you can't do it at all. We are doing, you can do it. Once again we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay. So let's try from here. 3, 2, 1, go. Out, out, pull, stiff stand. Now go down. 1 and 2. Then I and back. Then turn and get up. Push yourself back. Bring it in and out. So we stop outwards. Then from here, this hand just makes you turn, closing your face area. Yeah. Then this is just a close. From here, take it vice versa out. Yes. Here. And then you need to wave and go down. Putting here this knee touching the floor. See, hand 1 down. Yeah. Stretch. So this hand touches the floor. Fine. So let's try once again. It's not that difficult. You need to control your body. That's it. So once, let's try from here. 3, 2, 1, go. Out, out. Pull. Sit. Sit. I. Stand up. Push out. Push in. Again out. That's it. Then lock yourself. And then reverse it. Yeah, both the hands are here. Push yourself down. Stretch your leg. Yeah. Then wave. Wave. A little wave. Few exercises you need to follow to become a little flowy on your body. You can check out on your any YouTube videos. You will get it. So just make this part free. Yeah. After this, bring this knee pointed, raising your back up. Whenever you keep your leg a little far and you sit this way, this won't go and sit. It's difficult. So this is the trick. You need to keep this leg front. Raise your hand out. Then this knee touches the floor, you can see. This knee comes up. When this knee comes up, you need to go down. And stretch. Again, bring. Yeah, that's it. So once we do 1, 2. Again, 1, 2. Yeah, it's just simple. You need to just get balance on one knee at least. After this, you need to wave and stand up and turn. Yes. Get back to your place.
ओ मतलब के समझे इशारे ये सारे ये तो नजरों में अपनी उतारे नजारे
वो जो सुबह तक ना उतरे हर रात नशा चढ़ता है.
Once you are up straight to your place, you need to just start with your leg movement. Point, down, turn, pull the leg. Again twist, twist and pull the leg. Yeah. So, you need to just get control on your heel toe. That's all. Okay? Heel, down, twist and pull the other leg. Yeah. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2 times. That's all. You need to take 2 steps. So let's try again. 3, 2, 1, go. Toe, touch, heel. Again, toe, touch, heel. Join. That's it. Okay? When you do that, your hand is here. As if your hands are inside the pocket or a little move or a style. Some posture. Okay? So let's do with the hand movement. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. Yeah. Okay. After this, slide to your place again. Slide. Then use this leg. 1, 2, 3. So hand goes message. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And then stand in your place. In our video, we are multiple people. So we did it in a different way. If you are really performing with 2 or 3 people, you can do the same thing. If you are doing solo, then this works for you in the place. So 1, 2. Again after that, out. This comes for hookup, and then you need to wave and bring it back and join. Then again starts 1, 2, 3, 4. Join. Then for this time message, we did message this way before. Now we are doing message curly. Comes this way. Let's start from the second time leg movement. We will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we are doing the message part. Message. Okay. Then खुद को समझ के lucky two word comes. So you show to yourself in a way and lucky. Then do hookup, कर लेगा. Okay. So these are the simple final moves where you just be cool. That's all. So let's do from here again. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Then message. Then 1. And then 2. Then hookup. Then कर लेगा.
नंबर मेरा बाद में मैसेज मुझको कर देना खुद को समझ के लकी मुझसे हुकअप तू कर लेना
ले नंबर मेरा बाद में मैसेज मुझको कर देना खुद को समझ के लकी मुझसे हुकअप तू कर लेना.
You almost finished the hookup song around 2 minutes part of choreography.
I could do the dance with you.
I'm happy to hear that. Yeah, and I'll be happy if you can really comment and tell us that did you try or any step you couldn't do it.
Yes.
You need more, better way in what we can explain you, because this tutorials we are doing in a purpose that anybody who are watching should be able to try out. Yeah, and it should help you. So hoping it will work for everybody. Yes.
For the full video, there's a link in the description box. Go check that out.
Yeah, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Yeah, see you next time. Bye.